Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 1st, 2025, and we're diving into Cal-Maine Foods' latest earnings report for the first quarter of fiscal 2026. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Cal-Maine Foods has reported a remarkable quarter, marking the strongest first quarter in the company's history. I'm excited to break down the numbers and strategic moves with you today.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Cal-Maine Foods reported net sales of $922.6 million, a 17.4% increase from the previous year. John, what are the key drivers behind this impressive growth?
The growth in net sales is primarily driven by a significant increase in specialty egg sales and the expansion of their prepared foods segment. Specialty eggs alone saw a 10.4% increase, while prepared food sales skyrocketed by 839.1%, thanks to the acquisition of Echo Lake Foods. This diversification strategy is clearly paying off.
And how about profitability?
Cal-Maine's gross profit rose by 25.9% to $311.3 million, with a gross margin of 33.7%. Operating income also saw a substantial increase of 33.3%, reaching $249.2 million. These figures highlight the company's effective cost management and strategic pricing, particularly in their specialty egg segment.
Strategic initiatives and growth engines. Cal-Maine Foods has been focusing on expanding its specialty eggs and prepared foods. Can you elaborate on how these segments are contributing to their growth strategy?
Absolutely. Specialty eggs and prepared foods are central to Cal-Maine's growth strategy. Specialty eggs accounted for 30.7% of net sales, driven by consumer demand for premium products like cage-free and pasture-raised eggs. The prepared foods segment, bolstered by the Echo Lake acquisition, contributed 9.1% of sales. This diversification not only boosts revenue, but also stabilizes earnings by reducing reliance on conventional egg sales.
And what about their dividend policy?
Cal-Maine declared a cash dividend of $1.37 per share, reflecting their strong cash flow and commitment to returning value to shareholders. This is a positive signal for investors, indicating confidence in their financial health and future prospects.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's talk about operational efficiencies. How is Cal-Maine leveraging its operations to drive growth?
Cal-Maine is capitalizing on its vertically integrated model to enhance efficiency and productivity. They've seen a 46% growth in breeder flocks and a 77% increase in chicks hatched, which supports their expanding production capabilities. Additionally, their net cash flow from operations surged by 137.2%, providing them with the financial flexibility to invest in further growth and innovation.
Looking ahead, what can we expect from Cal-Maine Foods?
Cal-Maine is well-positioned for continued growth, with a clear focus on expanding their specialty eggs and prepared food segments. Their strategic investments in operational excellence and disciplined M&A activities are expected to drive long-term value. The company's leadership is optimistic about maintaining their growth trajectory, supported by strong consumer demand for protein-rich foods.
Key takeaways. In summary, Cal-Maine Foods has delivered an outstanding first quarter with record-breaking sales and profitability. Their strategic focus on specialty eggs and prepared foods is clearly paying off, and their operational efficiencies are setting them up for sustained growth. John, any final thoughts?
Cal-Maine's performance this quarter is a testament to their strategic vision and execution. Investors should keep an eye on their continued expansion in specialty and prepared foods, as well as their disciplined approach to growth. It's an exciting time for the company and its stakeholders.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Cal-Maine Foods' performance in the comments below. Until next time,